All right, guys, so 1.2c is all about writing equations with variables on both sides of our equation to model real-world situations and scenarios. So just like we talked about last week, your main ideas here are going to be to read, highlight, come up with your expressions, set them equal to each other in an equation, and solve. So for this first problem, they tell us the number of people at a birthday party is P, the cost of a party at Boondocks is 8P, plus 60, and at Raging Waters, it's 20P. So we know 8P plus 60 is 20P. So story, we are having a B-Day party at, we'll say, Boondocks. It costs $8 per person plus a $60 fee at Raging Waters. It is 60 per person. Ooh, not 60, sorry, 20 per person. How many people must attend for our cost to be equivalent at either vendor? Okay, so write a story that matches the expressions and equations above. Done. Solve the equation in the space above. Okay, so when I do that, I'm going to draw my railroad tracks. I'm going to subtract 8P on both sides. So I get 60 equal to 12P. Divide both sides by 12. So P is 5. What does that mean? Interpret the answer. 5 people must attend for cost to be equal. All right, number trick. We've got two friends, Lily and Callie, and they came up with the trick with the number n. So Lily says her number is 3 times plus 5 more than Callie's number. And Callie's thinking of a number that's less than 5. So it says write a story that matches the equations above. Callie, actually, let's start with Lily. We'll say Lily is thinking of a number plus 5 and multiplies its sum by 3. Callie takes a number, that same number, and subtracts 5. What is the number? When are they equal? So if we solve, we're going to get 3n plus 15 equals n minus 5. I'm going to subtract n on both sides. So I get 2n, subtract 15 both sides, equals negative 20. I'm going to divide both sides by 2, so n is negative 10. So the number that they're thinking of is negative 10. Number 3, we've got two friends, Sophie and Raphael, who are saving money over some time. The number of weeks is W. So it says Sophie starts with $300 and she takes away, I know it takes away, her savings account goes down $40 a week. Well, what happens to Raphael's money? Raphael's money, he starts with $180, but he's adding $20 per week to his bank account. So when will they have the same amount of money? So we've got Sophie starts with $300 in her account and spends $40 per week. Raphael spends, or sorry, saves. How do we know he saves? Because that plus sign. He saves $20 per week. And starts with 180 in his account. After how many weeks will they have the same amount? So I'm going to have you guys solve and interpret your answer. How many weeks is it going to take until they have the same amount of money for number 3? All right. Number 4, this is when it gets fun. It says write an expression for the unknown quantity in the word problem. Then write an equation for each problem, solve your equation, and interpret. So we've got Horizon Phone Company charges $15 a month plus 10 cents per text. G-Mobile charges a flat rate of $55 per month with unlimited texting. At how many texts the two cost the same? Well, cost the same is my key idea there. Cost the same means at how many months would they be equal? Well, I'm going to put an H up here for Horizon and a G up here for G-Mobile. So G-Mobile charges a flat rate of $55 per month. What about Horizon? $15 a month plus 10 cents per text. How can I write an expression for that? Well, it's $15 per month, where M is months, plus 10 cents per text. So when I solve this, I'm going to subtract 15M on both sides. I'm trying to see after how many months the cost will be the same. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. I'm going to divide both sides by 0.10. So M is going to be 4. So after 4 months, they'd be equivalent. Well, they want to know what's the better deal. If you send 200 texts per month, which I think is pretty realistic, right? So if I plug in 200 here, 15, here's part 2 of the problem. They want to see what's the better deal. $55 at G-Mobile where you get unlimited texts, or is it a better deal for me to do 200 texts at this $15 per month plus 10 cents per text? So $15 a month plus 10 cents per text. Well, $15 per month, so it'd be 15 plus 10 cents, don't forget the decimal there, times 200. So that'd be 15 plus, when you multiply 0.10 or 10 cents times 200, you get 20. So you would spend $35 with this plan or $55 with G-Mobile. So Horizon is the better text deal if you send 200 texts a month. Okay. So let's try number 5. The enrollment in a dance class is currently 80 students and it's increasing at a rate of 4 students per term. The choir is currently at 120 students, but that's decreasing at 6 students per term. After how many terms will the number of students in dance equal the number of students in choir? So I want you to try this one. I want you to put the dance, an expression for dance over here, and an expression for choir over here. Set them equal and solve. So you're going to do number 5 on your own. Tomorrow, we're going to be working on some of the questions down below. Send me an email or come to office hours if you need me. Good job. We're going to keep working on this.